Can towing an automatic car in neutral cause any damage to the transmission?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to answer a question that's often on the minds of drivers with automatic cars. Can towing an automatic car in neutral cause any damage to the transmission? Let's delve into this subject and get our answers.
How does an automatic transmission work?
Before we can answer the main question, we need to understand how an automatic transmission works. Unlike manual transmissions, automatic transmissions are designed to select the correct gear ratios without driver intervention. They use a complex hydraulic system to transmit engine power to the driveshaft and maintain the optimal balance between speed and torque. When the car is running, transmission fluid is pumped around the transmission to lubricate, cool, and help in shifting gears. In neutral, the engine is disconnected from the wheels, but the pump is still operational as the engine is running.
What happens when you tow an automatic car in neutral?
Now, let's think about what happens when the car is towed while in neutral. When your vehicle is turned off, the engine is not running, which means the pump isn't operating and isn't sending transmission fluid throughout the system. If you tow the car with the drive wheels on the ground, even in neutral, those wheels will cause parts of the transmission to rotate. Without the fluid being pumped, the rotating components won't be adequately lubricated. This can result in severe damage to the transmission due to friction and overheating.
Are there safe ways to tow an automatic car?
Fortunately, there are safe ways to tow an automatic car without damaging the transmission. The safest method is to use a flatbed tow truck, which lifts the entire vehicle off the ground. If a flatbed isn't available, a tow dolly, a mini trailer, can be used to lift the drive wheels off the ground. Remember, the key is to avoid moving the car's drive wheels. In some automatic cars, a feature called towing mode might be available. It disconnects the transmission from the drive wheels even when the car is off. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual or a professional for guidance. In conclusion, towing an automatic car in neutral can potentially cause severe damage to the transmission. To avoid this, it's recommended to use a flatbed tow truck or tow dolly. Alternatively, check if your vehicle has a towing mode. Always remember, it's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to the well-being of your vehicle. We hope this video has been informative and helps you make the right decisions when it comes to your vehicle. Drive safe, everyone.